Hello everyone and welcome back to rysonsspraybooth. And finally guys, this car is in my garage, as you guys can see. This is the Hyundai Grand i10. I have already started working on it. I will give you a quick walk around of it. As you guys must have noticed that I have taken out the headlights. I have also taken out the front bumper and I have taken it out and I have kept it on the side like this, as you guys can see. Here as you can see that there is a big scratch. So when you do a paint job by taking out the part, then you get good results. You get nice finish. You can work nicely on it and your time is also saved on masking. So that is the reason why I always take out the bumper to paint. And this side, if you notice, there is a scratch on this side as well, and on the bottom side also the bumper is scratched. Now how many dents were there on this car, you guys have already seen that in my previous video. So as you guys can see, I have already taken out the dent which was there on the quarter panel. There was a dent on this door also, that also I have taken out, but still there is lot of work remaining. Now before applying the paint, I will have to take out both these handles so that I get a good finish. So slowly I am doing job on this car. When I get little amount of time, that is the time I do the restoration of this car. And you guys have seen that I have already taken out all the parts. That is because I want to save my time on masking. And when you take out the parts and keep it somewhere else, the overspray will also not settle on them. But while doing the fitting, you will have to be very careful. Now I am going to restore these wheels as well. I am going to paint them glossy black. Even the wheel cap, the wheel will also get a rust protection. And let's see how it will look after we paint it black. Now while painting the wheels, I will have to take out the wheels and paint them. That's why I will keep that job last, because this is my home garage and I have to move the car back and forward many times so that I can park the other car. As you can see here, I will go slightly backwards and I will show you. This is my home garage, and if you look this side, it is my gate, and on the other side this is my house. Now if somebody has put in your mind that at home you cannot acquire a professional looking finish, then we'll see what type finish I acquire here on this car in my home garage, and on that we will decide. But at the moment I will be painting this car in this garage itself. Now the compressor, I will be using the same old compressor, the 240 liter compressor, which has a 5 HP motor on it. Now this compressor I have connected to my home electricity, but for that you will need a 3-phase connection. If your house has only a single phase connection, then you cannot connect this in your house. It is very important that you should have a 3-phase electricity light connection in your house. As you guys can see that I have connected it to my home electricity. Even the spray guns, I will be using the same old spray guns. And if you come on the back side of the car, if you guys remember that there was a dent here as well, this dent also I have taken out and kept. But if you come this side, there is a big scratch on the door which I have not worked on yet, and I am also going to take out the rear bumper. Now guys, the point here is I am getting paint jobs, but I don't have time to do them. As you guys know that I do the paint job, I shoot my paint job, I do the editing of the video, and I do the uploading part as well. So if I do everything, then how can I have time to do the paint jobs? So that is why I need my team. I'm working on building it, but at the moment I'm very squeezed up with the time. Now this car I have taken up because it belongs to my family only, and they have told me that I don't have any time restrictions, but still I'm trying to do it as fast as possible. You guys have seen that. So when you learn this amazing skill, guys, you can use it in 2 ways. One is you can use it as a hobby, and the second is you can use it as a business and take up paint jobs. In whichever direction you go, you will be in high demand. And who doesn't like to be in high demand, guys? Now this might be the last video of this car on this channel, and I will upload all the in detail videos in my course, in my advanced course which I'm working on at the moment, where I will teach you guys how to paint an entire car by yourself. So that course is in creation. Do let me know, guys, if you are excited about it. But before you learn how to paint the whole car, you should know the basic stuff, like how to mix the paints, how to handle the spray guns, how to take out the dents, how to apply the body filler. All these things you should master before working on a car. And all these things I teach inside my home study course, which is already available. And I have put a link of it in the description below. If you are serious about learning Autobody and painting, then you can go there and enroll yourself. And once you get enrolled in my home study course, there you will learn everything, guys. How to set up a compressor, how to set up your spray booth, how to handle spray guns, and all the stuff, or which tools you will need, that also I teach there. So everything you will know, and you will be ready to paint the whole car. And by that time, my course will be hopefully ready. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.